Experiencing problems with Spectrum Mobile voicemail? Let's get it fixed. The most common issues include voicemail retrieval failures, notification delays, and PIN reset problems, especially after software updates or network outages. First, ensure you have a strong 4G or 5G network signal. Then, check your Spectrum Mobile app permissions to allow notifications. Try restarting your device and clearing the app's cache. If these steps don't work, perform a soft reset of your voicemail system by dialing 99 and following the prompts. If the problems persist, consider Spectrum's firmware patches released in August 2025 to fix 5G compatibility bugs that may be causing voicemail transcription failures. Setting up voicemail on Spectrum Mobile is straightforward and can be done through the app or by dialing a simple code. Your voicemail PIN is a 4 to 6-digit code for secure access. It defaults to the last 4 digits of your phone number and can be reset through the app or customer service. Notifications for new voicemails come through the Spectrum app or SMS alerts. If notifications fail, try toggling airplane mode on and off, then re-enable cellular data. Current trends include AI-driven voicemail management with advanced transcription and summarization features. Visual voicemail is popular for accessibility in noisy environments.